Hello again. A short video about what I'm doing today. My job is to make these nuts 14mm shorter. And this is done by putting the nut in the chuck against this tab. So that defines my length, and I just have to use the cross feed to part a piece off. This is not an ideal stopper, but that's what I'm gonna use today because I have nothing else. Let's tighten the chuck with just one hand this time. Then I pull the piece right to the stopper and then push it just a little bit back. And this is where I'm gonna tighten the chuck. Just a minute. Okay, the piece is tightened. So I'm gonna first bring the tool close to the work, like this. And then I'm gonna switch the lathe on and use the automatic feed. And the feed speed I'm using is the slowest one on this lathe, which is 0.035 millimeters per revolution, which is like a little over 1000 per revolution. Okay, let's go. All of these wiggle just a little bit, but that's okay. So let's switch on the automatic feed line. That's it. I just opened the chuck. Now I'm gonna pull the piece out a little more and put it among the others. I've got 16 of these to do, and also I've got some bolts to shorten. I have to take about this much off, so this side will be used. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello again. A short video of what I'm doing today.